Good afternoon, YouTube. Today I'm going to do a brief video on the Quadair Quadcopter drone's phone app. Alright, so if you own this drone, you can get the app by scanning the QR code in the user manual. If you've lost the user manual, got a new phone, whatever, you can go to the App Store and put in Wi-Fi_cam and the app will come up. Alright, and it looks like a bluish purple square with a Wi-Fi signal emblem on it. So let's open this up and we'll go from there. Once you go into the app, this is the screen you're going to see, and then you're going to tap this button here. Alright, and let's go over some of these icons. So this is your back button if you want to go back to this screen for whatever reason. Alright, then obviously the video camera is your video camera mode. Then you tap that while flying, it will take a photo. This is your media, which is stored immediately to your phone, not an SD card. Now this button is to switch in between cameras, either your forward facing camera or the camera that's underneath on the drone. Now this is the VR first person view. That's what this is. So you'll tap this and it will give you the virtual reality first person view of your drone. So let's go back. Now this next function is gesturing, which is interesting. So let's do that. Oh, I'd have to connect to the drone, which I'm not right now. But you can experiment with that. This will reverse your camera. It'll either flip your display right side up or upside down while videoing. Now this gives you your full screen. It's going to bring up some extra apps. I'm going to do that after this. This is your hidden menu. So this right here is your speed, how fast your props are going to spin. You have 30%, you have 60%, and you have 100%. Now, I fly it on 30%. That's my own personal preference. Now, here's a real neat feature. If you're videoing and you go in here, if you're gonna shoot a video, go into this mode, the music notes. This is what it sounds like. So alright, so that's going to be attached to your video. So what you would do is before you start to fly, you'd come in here, you'll confirm, right? And see these notes over here? It says you have that song confirmed. Then you're going to press your video camera and that music will be attached to your video. I believe that one plays for like a minute and 26 seconds, minute and 30 seconds. Alright, now this function over here will zoom in. Like I said, I don't have the drone link to the app right now. But what you do is you'll press this, and over here you have this button, and it will allow you to zoom in and out while filming. It's a pretty neat feature. Alright, so now we're going to hide this, and we're going to open the rest of your features. Now here is how you fly with just your phone. Obviously, these are your virtual toggles. These are your trim buttons, alright? But here we have a few other features. So let's see what they are. Alright. So this is your flight path button. Alright, so let's tap that. I guess you need to be linked to the drone once again, and my battery's charging. This is your acrobatic button. It'll do a 360 loop in the air. Not the greatest thing while you're videoing. I mean, you can do it if you want. Alright, this is your headless mode, which basically means that during flight, no matter the orientation of the drone, if you press this button, that icon, and then pull the stick back towards you, the drone will come back towards you. Right, now this is a really cool feature because I did a video earlier on calibrating your drone. When you're in this app, all you have to do is tap this, calibrate your drone, you're good to go. Now this button here is interesting. So this next button looks like a top. Alright, so this button is a motion control. No, sorry. It is, that's your rotate trim. So you can trim your rotation of your drone, obviously. You know, if you want it to just rotate at on a flat plane, you leave it the way it is. Otherwise, you can use this button. And once again, we're not connected to the drone. One of these would disappear. I believe it's this one. And then you're left with this one right here. And you would be able to change the rotational pitch of your drone. This, supposedly, your next icon is the, what is it? It is, where are you? Yes. That's the auto hover button, which is pretty cool. You know, that a drone of this caliber actually has that. I've used it. This is your auto ascend, your auto descend, and that pretty much wraps it up for your phone app. But for, you know, what you pay for this drone, these are some pretty neat features, and I would say if you have this drone, go out and experiment, you know, at a low altitude in a safe area, obviously, and have some fun. All right, YouTube, if you like this video or found it informative and helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification button, as I'm attempting to grow this channel and will provide more information not only on this drone, but the EXO Cinemaster 2, which I own, and other topics that I think is or are pertinent to different people people who are into photography. I like to do some videos on that, etc., etc. So once again, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button. Thank you and have a great day.